What's going on, guys? Back today to do the install on the free side steps that I got from Toyota. So we're gonna unbox these now. We're gonna get to it. All right, so what I got, my option, the ones I chose, were the all black 5-inch oval. I sort of didn't have any choice. I wanted to get the running boards, but they were like $1,000 through them, and they weren't about doing that. So they gave me these. I picked the all black one, so they'll look good. It'll go good with the all black accents I'm gonna do on the truck. So let's go ahead and get these out of here, get them on the truck. Gotta unscrew these little plug screws. You know, when I first got underneath it here ahead of time, just to figure out what I was gonna have to do, because as we all know, stuff doesn't always go as easy as it should. I should change the name of this channel to Easier Said Than Done, because it always seems to be a problem. No matter how easy the job should be, it's always a stupid issue that gets you hung up for a while. So hopefully this is pretty straightforward. 6 bolts on either side, 12 bolts, and a bolt right on. Should be in and out of this job pretty quick. When I was first looking, I thought it for some reason had to be bolted to the frame here, not underneath it here. So I was like, Jesus Christ, these things are covered up. They don't go here. What the hell am I gonna do? Looks like, you know, again, it's not just as easy as a bolt and a washer. You got separate bolts and washers depending on which side you're on or which attachment you're on. So I need one that has a flat one that has a small one. Now if all goes well, I should have 6 more bolts with 3 and 3, and that's what it looks like I got. All right, these are going to be for the other side. These I don't need anymore. All right, so it looks like the flat one goes against the curve on the bottom. All right, so let's get underneath here. Start trying to do this. The one thing that's nice about trucks, and I'm used to sports cars that are sitting on the ground, I can easily just crawl underneath the truck here and do what I need to do without jacking it up or anything. Fuck. Why am I using this right now? I'm here trying to hand tighten this. I could easily just now I'm just going to go back and hand tighten and repeat the same thing on the other side. All right, guys, there it was, 12 bolts total. After I did the one side on camera, I just came over and did the other side off camera. But I'm telling you, I should change the name of the channel to Easier Said Than Done, because it doesn't matter what it is. 12 bolts, it's just self-explanatory, easy. They just bolt on. It's always just little things that hold you up. I think they came out great. I got the black ones to just go with the blacked out theme. I don't have any chrome on this. The bumper's not chrome. The only thing chrome on here are the badges and the front grille, which I'm gonna be changing out anyway to the all black to get rid of that chrome trim there and the chrome emblem here. So that stuff's gonna go, so it's blacked out, and the black little accents will definitely give it a nice touch. So the only thing shiny really will be like the headlights and the pops from the rim. But yeah, guys, came out pretty good. These are my free side steps from Toyota. I got worked into the deal. I did not pay for these, but there they are, as straight as I can get them. They wouldn't adjust a whole lot up or down this way, so not so much on this side. They're pretty straight, but the other side, just the way the brackets are, I don't know if it's just the brackets aren't exactly straight, but no matter how I adjusted them, this side just looks like to me that they're canted down just a little bit this way, so they're not flat, they're down just a little bit, but there's really nothing I can do because there's only so much adjusting I can do on those. But they're straight enough, and again, free. You don't have to pay to install them because there's just 6 bolts. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget Steve MP5 on Instagram. See you next time.